0392.
Tell something important about your place, about the district Mahengarh.
Sir, Mahendragarh is situated in the south of Haryana. It is bordering with Rajasthan. And sir, it has it has a semi-arid land, sir, sandy land, and majorly crops on there is sarso, gehu, and bajra, sir.
Sarso, गेहूं है,
Bajra, sir.
बाजरा.
Yes, sir. And sir, also most of the mining Haryana for the sand is done in Mahendragarh only, sir. And people from Mahendragarh usually join defense forces and police forces, sir.
अच्छा. What's the reason behind that?
Sir, it is it is kind of culture there, sir. Because there is not much prosperity in agriculture as compared to the other of Haryana, rest of the Haryana. So people basically tries to go to the defense forces for their livelihood, yes, sir.
There are several places in India that are not prosperous in agriculture, but people there don't join defense forces. You know why the people from Mahengarh used to join defense forces only? Why not other forces, other jobs? Why don't they go for other jobs?
Sir, it might be the historical reasons for that area, sir. Sir, because in Haryana the people are from have been involved in many activities in the revolutionary activities, in also in the freedom struggle, sir, and also they joined the British Army, sir. So sir, it has been a kind of tradition to join defense forces, sir.
Achha, they were also in British Army.
Yes, sir, there are many
Before
people.
independence.
Yes, sir, also in INA made by the Subhash Chandra Bose.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
This means that there was no nationalism there at Mahengarh.
Sir, there was, sir.
Then why they were joining British Army?
Sir, because the British Army was recruiting them, sir. It doesn't mean that they were not nationalists, sir. But sir, that was the time period when people used to join the defense forces also, sir.
Acha, you have chosen BSF as your first preference, no?
Yes, sir.
What's the reason behind that?
Sir, after 10th, I have decided to join defense forces, sir.
Okay.
So for that, I appeared in an entrance exam for the military school, and I got selected, sir. I gave NDA written exam and passed, and I gave SSB, but I couldn't get recommended. Then after graduation, I tried for CDS and FCAT. I gave various SSBs, but I couldn't get selected. So sir, as I wanted to join defense forces, sir, I found that CAPF is also a good option.
So what do you think that what were the shortcomings due to which you don't get selected in NDA or in CDS?
Sir, it might be my communications weren't that good, and I'm still practicing on it.
Okay.
And also there could be other reasons. Maybe sometimes I didn't perform well as the requirements were there. So sir,
please tell me about the basic difference between military and paramilitary.
Sir, military, sir, I don't know specifically, but military is the very core, the military, and the paramilitary is like the Assam Rifles, which have operational headed by the army, but the administration is headed by MHA, Ministry of Home Affairs.
Was in Indian Army.
Yes, sir.
Then also don't know what is the basic difference between military and paramilitary.
Sorry,
So
sir.
father was in Indian Army.
Yes,
you
sir.
was in military, and now you are going to join paramilitary forces as you are appearing for.
Sir, I am telling this by the definition, as the CAPFs are not called as paramilitary, sir. They are center. Yes, sir.
What? Pardon?
Sir, CAPFs are not called as paramilitary now, sir. After 2011, sir, CAPFs are CAPF. Paramilitary is only the Assam Rifle, sir, and also the Special Frontier Group, sir.
Okay.
So, sir, there is the operational factor is looked by the army, and the administration are looked up by the Ministry of Home Affairs.
So why do you want to join CAPF, Central Armed Police Forces?
Sir, as I told you, sir, I wanted to join defense forces. I couldn't get into the defense forces in army and in air force. So I found that BSF is also a kind of force which has which works culture is almost similar to the army, sir. So that's why I chose BSF my first option, and that's why I want to go into the Central Armed Police Forces.
Achha, who is the current DGP of BSF?
Sir, current DG of BSF is Rakesh Asthana, sir.
Mr. Rakesh Asthana.
Yes, sir.
राहुल
Yes, sir.
एमए अपने इतिहास से किया हुआ है।
Sir, I have applied for the MA History last year, but due to the COVID, there has been no exam, sir.
महात्मा बुद्ध के बेटे का नाम क्या था?
Pardon, sir?
महात्मा बुद्ध के बेटे का नाम
Sir, his name was Rahula, sir.
कोई सिमिलरिटी है आपने उनमें?
Sir, the meaning of Rahula is the conqueror of miseries. And sir, I think I also, as the name suggests, sir, I am also trying to be one of the reason for the conqueror of misery for my families and for the society, sir.
राहुल गांधी से आपकी कोई सिमिलरिटी?
Sir, Rahul Gandhi is a leader of mass, and I also wanted to be a leader of mass, sir. Not in the political sense, but as to lead my men, sir, in forces.
स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती
Yes, sir.
ने इस यूनिवर्सिटी से पढ़ाई की है।
Sir,
कुछ जानते हैं?
Sir, Dayanand Saraswati is affiliated to the sir Arya Samaj, sir.
और कुछ इंडियन सोसाइटी के लिए कोई इनका बहुत अच्छा योगदान है?
Yes, sir. For the upliftment of the poor and also upliftment for the women, sir, for widow remarriages and
विडोरी में
yes, sir.
कोई आप श्योर हैं?
Yes, sir.
श्योर हैं?
Yes, sir.
आप बाउ प्रिंसिपल क्या है?
Pardon, sir.
आप बाउ प्रिंसिपल
Sorry, sir. I don't know, sir.
बीएससी किया हुआ है पीसीएम में।
Yes, sir.
फिर
Sir, I did BSc. I completed in 2016, and I am not in touch with the textbooks for a long time, sir. I am preparing for defense exams and other exams, sir.
न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ते हैं?
Yes, sir. I do.
कौन सा पेपर?
Sir, The Hindu, sir.
उसके चीफ एडिटर कौन है?
Sorry, sir. I don't know, sir.
अच्छा, उसको एस्टेब्लिश कब किया गया था?
Sir, I don't know exactly, but I think it was in after 1850s, sir.
आप हरियाणा से हैं?
Yes, sir.
हरियाणा में अगर आपसे कहा जाए परमवीर चक्र विजेता, आप एनडीए भी गए हैं, कितने परमवीर चक्र विजेता हैं हरियाणा से?
Sorry, sir. I can't recall at that time, sir.
ने एनडीए और सीडीएस लगातार दिया हुआ है।
Yes, sir.
आपका ख्वाब है आर्मी में जाना, के बावजूद मतलब आपको नहीं पता?
Sir, sorry. I couldn't recall at that time, sir.
हिंदी ओल्ड सॉन्ग सुनते हैं?
Yes, sir.
कितने ओल्ड सॉन्ग?
Sir, after the independence and sir, up to 2000, sir.
सुरैया का एक गाना सुना सकते हैं?
Sir,
अपने गाने आप सुनते हैं?
yes, sir.
फुटबॉल खेलते हैं?
Yes, sir.
अभी रिसेंट में इंडिया के किसी लीग को यूएसए में लिस्टेड किया गया था। भारत की पहली लीग बनी थी।
हाँ, sir.
कौन सी लीग? क्लब कौन सा क्लब है?
Yes, sir. Sir, I can't recall it, sir. Sir, I have to read about it again.
संतोष ट्रॉफी लास्ट किसने जीता है?
Sir, don't know, sir.
प्लेयर नहीं है। क्रिकेट आप खेलते हैं?
Yes, sir.
साइंस के आप स्टूडेंट भी हैं,
यस सर,
तो रिवर्स स्विंग जो होती है,
यस सर।
रिवर्स स्विंग में कौन सा साइंस का रूल होता है?
सर थर्ड लॉ ऑफ मोशन सर।
उसको नाम क्या दिया जाता है? कौन सी थ्योरी है? कोई थ्योरम है ना उसका?
सर डोंट नो सर।
एक गेंद के कितने साइड्स होते हैं?
सर डोंट नो सर।
वर्ल्ड कप पहला कब हुआ था? वनडे वर्ल्ड कप पहली बार कब हुआ?
सॉरी सर, आई डोंट नो।
ये आपकी हॉबी है?
यस सर, आई यूज्ड टू प्ले क्रिकेट सर।
साइंस ग्रुप के आप हैं, इस बार फिजिक्स का नोबेल प्राइज किसको दिया गया?
सर आई एम नॉट टच्ड इन करंट अफेयर सर, आई हैव टू रीड सर।
द हिंदू आप पढ़ते हैं, उसके बावजूद आप कर रहे हैं।
Sir, I left newspaper for few days, sir. For the I was preparing for prelims, sir. So I stopped reading newspaper, sir.
शायद इंडिया के कितने लोगों को अब तक नोबेल प्राइज मिला है? किसी 5 का नाम बता सकते हैं क्षेत्र के साथ, किस सब्जेक्ट में मिला?
Sir, Rabindranath Tagore, sir, Peace Prize.
किसमें?
Sir, Rabindranath Tagore, sir, Peace Nobel Peace Prize, sir.
इसमें, ठीक है।
And sir, economics में sir can't recall, sir.
सपोज डेट अभी हरियाणा में और पंजाब में काफ़ी ज़्यादा विवाद हो रहा है एग्रीकल्चर एपीएमसी जो अमेंडमेंट एक्ट हुआ है,
Yes, sir.
आया है। क्या आपको लगता है कि ये हमारे फेडरल स्ट्रक्चर पर प्रहार है? ये नहीं होना चाहिए?
No, sir, I don't think, sir, it is attack on our federal structure, sir. Sir, because the commerce of the agriculture is in section 33 of the concurrent list, sir. So it has been made according to the law, sir, and it is for the welfare of the farmers and the society, and it is not the demand of throughout the country, sir. It is somewhere some demand, sir, and it is also because of there is some lacunas and there are some misinformation that the government will snatch the MSP and will not give the MSP and farmers will ultimately suffer, but it is not so, sir. It is for the farmers welfare, sir.
अच्छा, एमएसपी की आप बात करें, एमएसपी और एफआरपी दो वर्ड हैं, इनमें डिफरेंस क्या होता है?
Sir, MSP is for the 23 crops, and sir the FRM, sir, is for the sugarcane, sir.
सपोज दैट राहुल, आपको सीआरपीएफ का एसी बनाया जाता है, आप कहीं पोस्टेड हो रिमोट एरिया में जो नक्सल बेल्ट है।
Yes, sir.
होता यह है कि जो नक्सल अटैक आप पर होता है, ठीक, कुछ फोर्स पीछे है, कुछ जवान आपके आगे घायल पड़े हुए हैं और उनकी तरफ से छोटे छोटे बच्चों को भेजा जा रहा है। वो आपके जो सैनिक घायल आगे पड़े हुए हैं, उनसे वो उनके हथियार छीन रहे हैं और उनको मारकर ले जा रहे हैं हथियार। छोटे बच्चे 6 साल 8 साल के, आप उनको गोली मारेंगे या नहीं मारेंगे?
Sir, as they are killing our men, sir, so that they are definitely doing the crime, sir. They are not child, sir. They are killers, sir. Sir, for the safety of our men, sir, we have to take actions to stop them. If we have to take actions to kill them by the killing is the option to stop them, sir. So, sir, we should must go for the killing, sir.
What is the difference between Naxalism and Maoism?
Sir, Maoism and Naxalism are almost similar as I have read, sir. But Maoism is come from the China, sir, and Naxalism is India's India's own theory, which comes from the Naxalbari districts in West Bengal, sir. And sir, the almost the ideology is almost similar to snatch the power, to grab the power, and to rule themselves, sir.
Last year, the state of Jammu Kashmir was divided between 2 union territories.
Yes, sir.
The one being Jammu and Kashmir, and the another one as Union Territory of Ladakh.
Yes, sir.
Do you think that this was the right step taken by government of India?
Yes, sir. I think it is the right action taken by the our government, sir. Sir, because sir 370 was a temporary provision, so it has one day has to be gone, sir, and there have to be some solution which is more oriented to the development, sir. And Ladakh was demanding a separate UT from very beginning, sir. So it is the government has taken the right step by making it is a UT and focused it, because Ladakh has different problem and Jammu and Kashmir has different problems, sir. So sir, by making both of them separate UTs, it is a good step, and now government is focusing on Jammu and Kashmir by giving more developments and the local issues by more focused on the militancy.
Now government of India is giving more focus to Jammu and Kashmir. You want to say this?
Yes, sir. There is the real problem, sir.
Means that for the last 70 years, government of India was not focusing on Jammu and Kashmir.
Sir, I don't mean to say that, sir. Government was doing well earlier also, but as the Ladakh was wanting a different UTs, because their problems are different. Their problems are not same as J&K's problems, sir. So now it is more decentralized and more focused approach, sir.
Rahul, tell me your 5 weaknesses. What
Okay,
are
sir.
your 5 weaknesses? आपकी 5 कमजोरियां क्या हैं?
Sir, I think, sir, sometimes I do hurry, and that leads to some silly mistakes, sir.
Hmm?
And
Don't you think that right now also you are in hurry?
yes, sir, I do sometimes mistakes, sir.
Yes, I am feeling that. And your next weakness?
And sir, next is my communications still are not up to the mark, sir.
Exactly, I have written that. Yes, I have written that communication skill has to be developed. Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Your third weakness?
Sir, third weakness, I would say, sir, I need more good physical, sir. I need to do left books and do some more physical exercises.
Okay.
And sir, that's all I can recall right
What
now.
are your 5 weaknesses? Okay. ठीक है? Now you may go.
Thank you, sir.